My name is Bag.
You're on camera. Rolling.
My name is Bag Grills, and I'm stuck here in Ra'anana. All I have are my 10 fingers. And a Jeffrey Bean shirt.
It's gonna run away.
If I don't find shelter for that bird soon, my wife will kill me.
Poor bird.
I think I'm gonna find shelter for the bird.
Right now, hurry
the poor
up.
bird got trapped in a mental institution. Hey Birdie, what do you have to say about this?
Hey Joe.
Yeah, Grills?
It's not Bear Grylls.
Nature
Big
gives me.
Grylls.
Well, I can't say that.
The branch of the kukui tree. I can use the leaves for the nest, and then I can use the branch itself to create a platform for the bird's box.
Sycamore tree. Yeah. You
Sycamore.
want to be all like fancy.
Guys, give it some
Maybe that's too deep, honey. It's gonna fly out of there. It's gonna jump out.
Guys, make sure.
Guys, we know how the birdie's running towards Jules because it realized she's the last sane being in our family.
Okay, give me the box.
Guys, the birdie's running away. I feel bad. You wanna?
Don't let him go here because here's where we're like danger zone. Close your legs, they'll go through. And I'll put my foot here. And I'll put my Shadow, put your foot here.
Guys, you know I could get Jules. She's gonna step on the bird. I could see it.
Oh no, Julie, the birdies.
Oh, Julie, do we have a baby birdie?
Yeah. Are you the baby birdies, mommy?
Oh no, get away, birdie. I'm bigger than you. Oh no, I thought my size would matter. Okay, birdie, it ran away to the other side of the yard. Hey, birdie.
Jay, put your like foot there, like you did before. I'll put my foot here and I'll be like trapped. Okay.
Oh, come on.
Put your foot.
I can't. We can't. It's not gonna run away from here. Okay.
Yeah, it is. It's gonna get stuck in that spider web.
Oh no. What if it gets stuck in the web? Okay. So now, bye.